Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. The binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. But you are interested in this one. Yeah, it's the binary puzzle number 8752. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double, oh, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Alright. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O here, one there, one. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, in 2 minutes. Well. This one. We solve it again, and I like this one here, so I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.